In this video, we will learn how to use Page View, a component that allows us to incorporate the content of one page into another page. Follow the process to incorporate this navbar into a page. Create the navbar on one page. Create another page and insert the Page View component. In the field properties, select the page that contains the navbar. Choose a presentation percentage and run the page. The Page View component is an excellent way for you to save time in development and simplify the maintenance of your project. You can use it to display elements that repeat on various pages, with the advantage that any changes made are automatically reflected on all pages. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Builder, check out our other tutorials on YouTube. You can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Check the links in the video description.